Good morning and welcome to Dumaguete City. So let's try the very famous painitan in Dumaguete City. Come on, join me. So we decided to book our ticket first going to Sikihor before we will have our breakfast. Going to the painitan, you just have to ride a cab and it will cost you 15 pesos per ride per person. So upon arrival, ang daming tatawag sa iyo. Yung talang typical na Filipino tatawagin ka talaga. So we choose this the Nanay's Painitan. And of course, we tried the 1055 puto with chocolanay and condensed or peanut butter. So 20 pesos lamang yan and mabubusog ka na. So I chose the condensed while my friend chooses the chocolanay with peanut butter. Masarap, di ba? Kaya ito na, titikman na po natin.
O kung di sari-sari
Ay, wala yung tag 240 na, tag 285. Kundi sila sari.
O kada
Kulang man na. Kulang, tag 285. Wala na yung tag 240 na. Husdan sila. Wala,
Oh. Ay kung di sila tungduhan.
This is better, no?
Galing ko sa
Sobrang sarap! Super sulit ng 10 pesos na puto na may kasamang peanut butter at chocolanay. And of course, we have to pair it with this kuwate na may condensed milk mixture. 20 pesos lang din yan. Of course, kailangan ubusin yung puto natin. Kahit na medyo nakakaumay dahil sa sobrang laki ng serving, but masarap talaga siya in total. And of course, the food presentation, perfect. Thank you so much. Naubos naman natin. Thank you for now, Dumaguete City. Once again, this is Lotlot and Nokna Ricardo, and I'm going to Sikihor. Bye!